Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make tofu gratin. For a delicious alternative to a standard gratin, this tofu gratin with mackerel is very perfect. It is used homemade tomato sauce and topped with mozzarella cheese. Tomato sauce and tofu are perfect match. The mackerel gives a rich flavor to the gratin. I really recommend it as a different, healthy and delicious gratin that you never eaten. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I introduce the ingredients. Okay, this is our main ingredient. It's firm tofu. So I recommend to choose firm tofu. So it's better than silk tofu. I will drain the water from the tofu. And so if you choose firm tofu, you can enjoy the texture of it. So I recommend it. And this is canned mackerel. And it's include no salt. So I recommend a non-salt type because so you can control the saltiness. And shredded cheese. So I choose mozzarella cheese. So it's mild and good flavor for the gratin. And salt and black pepper. So I season the gratin with them. Okay, these are ingredients for the tomato sauce. This is garlic and 1 bay leaf and onion. So I use tomato juice for the sauce. So it is very useful. And salt and white pepper. And I use the oil, so it's olive oil. Okay, let's get started. So cover the tofu with paper towels. Okay, and put another plate on it. And finally, place the water. Okay, it's a very important step because if you do this, so it prevents the gratin from being watery, and you can enjoy the natural sweet of tofu by removing the water. So it's very important. Okay, and leave it for 1 hour. And so during it, I will make the homemade tomato sauce. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's chop that onion. Okay, then chop the garlic. Remove the sprout. Okay, put olive oil, so 1 tablespoon. And add chopped garlic and saute it on low heat for until the aroma of it coming out. Okay, the aroma of garlic is coming out, so I add the onion and some salt. So it helps to saute the onion first. It's important to saute the onion until it turns yellow, like cream colored. It will be sweet and add the natural sweet to the sauce. Okay, I finished to saute the onion, so it turns yellow in color and the taste is sweet. So I go to next step. So first, add the tomato juice and bay leaf. Let it boil. Okay, it boils, so reduce the heat to low. And boil down on medium heat so until the sauce is thick. Okay, the sauce is thick, so I add some salt and white pepper to season. Okay, the sauce is ready. When you slide wooden spatula on the pan like this, and the sauce is not returned easily, so it's done. And if you want to add some salt, this means the sauce is bland, so please add some salt before that. And so take the bay leaf and let it cool. Okay, so 1 hour later, so I check the tofu. Okay, the tofu is small or flat, and some water from it. Before cooking, so take the wet sheets, wet paper towels, remove it, and another new paper towels to cover. So it helps to remove the surface, the water of surfaces. Okay, it's done. After that, I prepare the mackerel. So I use canned mackerel today and open it. Okay, and drain the water. I use this one and like this. It prevents the mackerel from coming out. And put in a bowl. Okay, and it's the canned mackerel includes non-salt, so I want to season some salt, so put some salt. And mix. So like this. So you can enjoy the texture. So not to make paste. So I cut it bite size with a spoon, and so to season it with salt. Okay, then so cut the tofu into bite size in your hand, like this. So this side is better. Okay, it's finished. Okay, I prepare all of ingredients for tofu gratin. So please prepare a heat-safe plate like this. I put on the plate all of ingredients, but during it preheat oven 210 degrees. I set our oven, so let's prepare the gratin. First, place the tofu. And then add mackerel on it. Okay, then add some salt and black pepper. Okay, then add tomato sauce. So I prefer to a lot of tomato sauce, and it's very healthy and delicious. Finally, add shredded cheese. Okay, let's cook it in a preheated oven for 12 minutes. それではいただきます。Cheese flavor is so good. The aroma of it nice. Mackerel and tomato sauce and tofu. Those ingredients are perfect match. Very nice. So I think mackerel gives the dish rich flavor. I tried cheesy sauce and tofu. Wow. Cheese is so nice and tomato sauce. Sorry, my black pepper is my mouth. Okay, tofu and tomato sauce is good combination. So I understand tofu is a little light, but the sauce, tomato sauce and creamy cheese is added, so rich flavor. Wow. And tomato sauce, the sourness of tomato sauce is nice. And I add coarsely ground black pepper, so it's a nice flavor to the dish. I think the mozzarella cheese is a good combination with tofu. It's mild but has good flavor. The baked surfaces is very nice. I like it. It's very savory and good aroma. This dish is very healthy and delicious. Maybe it's different the standard gratin. I use tofu for a dish, and so it's very volumey, and so I'm satisfied with this dish. So you can take nutrition of this dish, tomato and tofu and mackerel. So it's so nice. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It makes me happy. Thank you. Bye.